Hey everyone, Dr. Nuesse from EasyDotPhysicals.com back again with another video. This is again an update in the saga that is potentially the DEA rescheduling marijuana from Schedule 1 to Schedule 3. I just read this on marijuanamoment.net. I thought it was worthy of making a video, not a major update, but I thought it was important because I am now going to speculate on potentially what's going to happen going forward. So the title of the article, DEA tells Congress that it, meaning the DEA, has the final authority on marijuana regardless of health agencies' Schedule 3 recommendations. So what they're basically saying is that no matter what the Health and Human Services says, whatever HHS says, and what they recommended was to reschedule to Schedule 3. They are saying, the DEA is saying that no matter what they say, the DEA has the final authority. And before I get into the article and then give you my thoughts on what this might mean, I do want to remind everybody that if you are concerned about passing a drug test, please, the best thing that you can do is home drug test. Using a home drug test that has the same cutoff levels as a lab test. I will leave my preferred home drug tests in the description box below. And also, please visit exploroacademy.com. That is our proprietary course where we give you step-by-step instructions on what you can do if you are concerned about an upcoming drug test. It is 100% money back guaranteed. exploroacademy.com. Again, both links will be in the description box below. So the article goes on to quote a DEA representative, and it says, and I'm quoting, DEA has the final authority to schedule, reschedule, or deschedule a drug under the Controlled Substances Act after considering the relevant statutory and regulatory criteria and HHS's scientific and medical evaluation. And it says that the DEA is now conducting its review. But what it left out was the timeline. So there is no timeline given here. Now, what do I think based on why did I think this was worth making a video? So all of the experts that I have read are predicting that the DEA will go along with HHS's recommendation and reschedule from Schedule 1 to Schedule 3. Reading this and reading this statement from the DEA, and I was on board with that as well. I was thinking that this is a slam dunk. There's no way that the DEA will go against the HHS recommendation to reschedule. But reading this, I'm starting to have my doubts. The cracks are starting to form. And what I mean by this is kind of reading between the lines here. What it kind of sounds like is that the DEA is giving itself an out and basically letting people know that they're going to do what they think is best. They're not going to be bullied. They're not going to be manipulated. They're not going to be told what to do. If they don't want to reschedule, they won't reschedule. If they want to reschedule, they will. If they want to deschedule, if they want to go against HHS's recommendations and deschedule, they will. But it's sounding like what they're saying is they're setting up the fact that they might not go along with HHS's recommendations. That's just me kind of reading between the lines based on this language. So again, no hard update here, no timeline either. Again, most experts are suggesting that this is going to get done one way or the other before the November election. I mean, there's politics involved in here too, as always. But just a quick update video here. Again, stay subscribed. When updates come down, I will continue to make update videos. And make sure, again, you check out the links in the description box below for my preferred home drug test and exploroacademy.com. And until next time, everybody, stay safe.